Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how I achieved this look with this mint eyeshadow from Dose of Colors. So let's get started. I'm going to use the primer eyeshadow from Urban Decay and just blend it with my fingers. I like to use really light colors of primers on my eyes to make sure that I neutralize any redness. I'm going to use now the Urban Decay powder, translucid pressed powder, and I just want to make sure that my eye makeup is going to stay all night, also because I'm going to go out. So yeah, so now I'm going to start using the eyeshadow palette from Dose of Colors, Eyes in Cream. I absolutely love this palette, and I'm going to start using the Cone eyeshadow on my crease and just apply with the Morphe S27 brush. Next eyeshadow to be used is going to be Hot Fudge. I'm going to use the brush from BH Cosmetics. It's part of the Smoky Eye Brush set, and I like this brush because it's pointed and it makes a perfect cut crease. To mark my cut crease and create a perfect halo cut crease, I'm going to use this Morphe brush. It's the S25. It's an angle brush that you can use for eyebrows as well. And then I'm just going to blend again with the BH Cosmetic brush. To clean my eyelid, I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in shade Light Medium. I'm going to take a picture with my phone just to see if I like the cut crease I've created. To make my mint eyeshadow pop out, I'm going to use this Karla Cosmetics Fix Potion. It's a gel that you can apply before your eyeshadows, especially shimmer eyeshadows, and make sure that they're gonna pop out and stand out much more than usual. On my eyelid, I'm going to use the Mint Chip eyeshadow, and I love this color. It's such a beautiful kind of aqua blue, and it creates such a beautiful look, and especially with my dress. And I was so excited to use this eyeshadow because when I bought this palette, it was especially because of this color. To do my eyeliner, I'm using this LASplash eyeliner. It's called Merbae, and it's such a beautiful glitter eyeliner. I've used this Strictly Vinyl NYX eyeliner in color Hazy, which is a rusty red, and I've outlined the glitter eyeliner. Oh yeah. Next step is going to be mascara. I'm using the Monsieur Big Mascara from Lancôme. To do the waterline of my eyes, I'm just using Urban Decay black pencil. I'm going to apply false lashes from Unicorn Lashes, and these are Mink lashes called Majestic AF. On my bottom lashes inside, I'm just using this green pencil. I bought it in Amazon. I'll put in the description the name of it. Okay, so this is how this eye looked. Let's do the other eye, and yeah, both eyes are done. I love this look, and let's get started with face. I'm doing my primer with Urban Decay Pore Perfecting, and I'm going to apply all over my face. And after this, I'm going to do something strange, but it really works. I'm going to apply the translucent pressed powder, and this is a powder brush, and I'm applying all over my face. And instead of using powder after the makeup, after the foundation, I'm actually doing before, because when the oil that comes through your pores, it's going to hold on everything much better. As foundation, I'm using the foundation from Tom Ford and also Designer Lip from Giorgio Armani, because it's a darker shade, and the shade from Tom Ford, it's a lighter, so it will be exactly my skin tone. To contour the lighter areas of my face, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in shade Light Medium, and I'm applying under my eyes, also on my jawline and on the top of my nose. To bake my face, I'm using the Mercier Translucid Loose Powder. Meanwhile, I'm going to apply the Lip Injection Extreme from Too Faced to make sure that my lips are going to be plumped and they're going to look fuller. For my eyebrows, I'm using the NYX Precision Brow Pencil in color Espresso. And oh my gosh, this lip injection from Too Faced, it really tingles. Wow, it burns, but I guess it's working. I'm brushing it off the loose powder, it's done, and my contour is on point. As a bronzer, I'm using this new Terracotta from Guerlain. It's called Route des Iles. I don't know if I'm pronouncing well, and I'm sorry. Okay, so next step, it's this Kat Von D Alchemist holographic palette. I love this palette. I love holographic shades, everything about it, and it just makes the contouring so perfect. Oh, and I've used the shade Blue Sapphire. I'm also applying on my brow bone and inside my eyes. For my lips, I'm using this Huda Beauty lip contour pencil called Vixen, and after all, I'm also going to use the same shade in the liquid matte lipstick. To create a glossy effect on my lips, I've used the Giorgio Armani Ecstasy Lacquer number 201, and this is it. My makeup is done. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe and like this video.